So hi guys, I am back. It's me, iNovemberain, and this is my third transaction for today. So I make 3 transactions for today, guys, and uh, we were gonna make our house super smell good because I love this essential oil right here. This one, and this is my first time to use this Nagel, and I don't know because it says it's stashed here. It wasn't bad at all, but you know, it's my first time to use those. So I have here is my receipt. So we were gonna start the first one, Snuggle Booster Tub. That is $6.97. So $6.97 times 3 is $13.94 minus $3 manufactured coupon. As you can see right there, guys, $3 manufactured coupon. Plus, I have $4 cashback from IBOTTA. So this one is my cashback from IBOTTA. As you can see right here, I already earned because I have 2 of those and $4 from IBOTTA. I was so happy with that. So that will bring me to how much? Where is it? That will bring me to $5.94 for $5.94 for 2 of those after the cashback, the coupon, and yeah, and then so this one is $2.97, so or $2.97 each. So can you guys, that is 56 load of scent booster and for $2.97. So let's move on to the next one. Plug-in oils. As you can see right there, a plug-in oils. It's $4.88, and then I have the coupon. It says right here $4.88 minus because I have a coupon for buy one take one of those Airwick essential oil. So I forgot to take a picture of the coupon, but I think I have another one, a coupon, like, because I'm only allowed to use 2 per shopping transaction. So I have one. I am gonna put the screen how it look like because that one is buy one take one free, and I cannot use it, and I cannot use it anymore because it is gonna expire today. No, I mean tomorrow, today, I don't know, I'm not really sure. So I used 2 coupon that is $4.88, and I got this one for free for free. So I only paid $4.88 for one essential oils, and I got one for free. So it's the same right here, guys. I paid $4.88 and I got this one for free. Oh god, guys, I got a lot of stuff. And then next is this one. It's how much is this? It's $6.48, and then I have $6.40. I have $3 manufactured coupon, so that will bring me to $3.48 for this. Plus I have $1 cashback from IBOTTA. I mean $2 cashback from IBOTTA, so that means this one is $1.48. And also I have this offer that I get for today. So the Chobani Greek yogurt, I need to get 4 of this Chobani Greek yogurt. So $2.44. I got cashback for $2.44. So I think that is that's all for my cashback for today, and I am gonna put all the link down the description, or yeah, and so you guys can check. And I get all the coupon from my Sunday insert, and I've been keeping those buy one take one for a quite long time, and I waited for the item to go down, to go on sale. But apparently this Airwick right here at Walmart, it doesn't like give you always a sale. So I said, okay, I'm gonna get those today because I don't want to lose the buy one take one. Guys, that's a lot of essential oil, and I'm having a lot of essential oil in the house. I want my house to smell good, you know. So so I think that's all for today, guys. And I have a product that I did not get from Walmart, and because what do you call that? Because they're out of stock. That's kind of bummer, but it's okay. Maybe next time, you know. But I already get the product that I want for C. As you can see in here, So BOGO, buy one get one, all Airwick all refill is the next one is free. So I wrote those down because I want to share the breakdown for you guys. And also this one, as you can see, I put the aisles number of my transaction because I don't want to run into a place that looking for the product. You know, Walmart is a big store and it's hard for me to remember where all the products are. So if I have something to buy and then I need to write down the aisles number because that is the most important. So so I can go to Walmart in and out. That is pretty easy, guys. So the total for today, the total saving that I made for today is $42. This is my total savings. So that is the total saving that I make for November 2nd. So this one. So plus I spend I use the coupon, so that means I save at least $50 for all of the transaction, more than $50 for all of the transaction that I make. And I think I'm gonna put a flash screen in here, right, because I wasn't so sure that it is really 50 cents. So because my breakdown right here, I cannot show you guys because the breakdown, some of the product I did not get and some of the product I adds on. So I'm gonna make a new breakdown for you guys, and I want you to check the Google document down my description so you guys can see how much did I spend for the product. So I think that's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching. And this is iNovemberain, ang nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan. And I thank you. Bye!